Hi family, this is option B by Margaret. Now I'm in the shamba. You can see different activities that we do here. I'm going to show you this river, tributary of Tana River. See, it divides Kirinyaga County with Nyeri County in Kenya. Where I'm on the side of Kirinyaga, and the other side is Nyeri. So Nyeri side is Mukurweini sub-county, and on our side we are in Kirinyaga West sub-county. You can also see the different things that I do in my shamba. Here, I've come after work. This is napier grass I've planted for my cows. I've also planted avocado. Although they are still very young, see them. This is an avocado seedling that has been planted. It was planted the other day. Look at my maize. It is ready. Maybe in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to harvest it. The stalks will be eaten by the cows. See, it is ready. Very healthy. It is our staple food. And they also help us to spend our free time when we are not in our place of work. We also have indigenous trees. Don't know how it is called in English, but it is motondo. Motondo in my mother tongue. See my maize. See my maize. So good. Almost ready. I'll harvest and store for cooking, for taking to the posho mill. And then the stalks will be taken by my cows.